Everyone, let's get started with this problem. I'm reading out the problem for you and then we'll solve it. A ball, a ball is held at rest in position A. At this position, it is at rest. And this ball is supported by two light cords. Light cord means massless. One cord is this, one cord is this. The horizontal string is cut. There it is cut. And ball starts swinging as a pendulum. The ratio of the tension in the supporting cord in position B to that in position A. The supporting cord is they're talking about is this. So suppose at this the tension was PA in it and here it was PB. The ratio of the tension is in position B to that in A. So as per question, PB by PA will be. So let us make the free body diagram of ball at position A. Which all forces are acting on the ball at this location? We can show this is your tension force. Let us give it a name PA. P subscript A. The other force is tension force due to this cord. Due to this cord. So let us give it a name as T subscript 2. And third force is your gravitational force. Vertically downward direction. And that is equal to m into g if m is the mass of the ball. In this situation, the bob is in the bob is the ball which is attached to this thread cord. In this situation, it is in equilibrium. So this condition is your equilibrium condition. What are the angles? This angle is 45 degree. So this angle will also be 45 degree because these two lines are parallel and these are interior angle. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This angle will also be 45 degree because this is going to be perpendicular on it. So 45, 45, 90, 180 degree of the triangle. So you can apply the Lami's theorem. So as per Lami's theorem, when three forces are acting on a body and that body is in equilibrium, then this relation establishes. T2, T2 is here, sine of the angle in between the other two vectors is this angle. What is that angle? 90 degree plus 45 degree. mg force sine of the angle between the other two, the TA and T2, that is 90 plus 45. And similarly, the TA will be angle between T2 and mg, sine of the angle, that is 90 degree. You can see here, this is 90 degree. So from these two, you can get the value of TA. Right, TA is equal to mg by sine 90 plus 45, you know it is cos 45 degree. So you have TA now in hand. Now we will attack for tension in thread at B location. We will again make the free body diagram for the B location. The forces acting at this location B is tension in the thread, that is T subscript B, and the force of gravity. That is mg. At B location, the ball has come again to rest. Velocity was 0. In overall situation, when this thread is cut, the ball moves in circular arc from A to B, and then it will come back again to B to A. So it is keep oscillating like this because there is no decipative force available. So your motion will keep continuing. But at B, it is not in equilibrium. But since V has become 0, and from here it will start swinging back in the circular arc as per this. So this direction is a point of the center where about which the ball is moving in the arc, in that circular arc. So we know from the circular motion, since V is 0 here, since V is 0 here, the total force along this direction, the net force in this direction should be 0. Why? Because PB, what is the component of force here? This is 45 degree because this one is what? So TB minus component of mg in the direction of TB is equal to, you're writing mv square by r. So 0 square by the length of the cord. So this is 0. So your tension at B is equal to mg cos 45 degree. And you have to find TB by TA. This is your TB, this is your TA. So you can write comfortably TB by TA mg cos 45 degree divided by TA is mg by cos 45 degree. So your mg will cancel out. This will become equal to cos square 45 degree. Cos square 45 degree, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So cos square will be 1 by 2. So let us go to the option, the question, and see which option is meeting with our answer. If option D is matching with our result. So option D will be your answer. Hopefully there is no problem in understanding the concept. In case of any doubt, please do write in the comment box. I will clarify the doubt. Thank you.